Hey, what's up, everybody? Me and my wife about to go to the VolkJam, Volkswagen, Porsche, and Audi car show that's in Tanner Hill, Alabama. Or not? Is it Tanner Hill or Turner Hill? I think it's Tanner Hill, Alabama. But yeah, we're gonna go there and see some Volkswagen, some Porsche. They also have a swap meet. I want to see if they got some Porsche parts that I can buy for my car. And I know my wife's gonna be happy because it's Volkswagen. And you know what car Volkswagen makes?
Beetle.
Yeah, so they probably gonna have a bunch of cool Beetles. You say what's up? So we better have fun, walk around. Hopefully it's not too hot. If it is, we probably get a slushie or a lemonade if they got something.
Yay.
I might have to get some cash. Just in case I want to buy something. Hopefully they use Cash App or something. But we about to head out. Let me show you what we taking. Today we're gonna be taking the Honda Element, the little box car, just in case if I want to get something that's too big, I can fit it in her car. But yeah, let's hit the road. Got an hour drive. All right, we made it, everybody. This is warm. It's really warm right here. Isn't that right?
Yeah. Hot.
we drove by. We already seen a bunch of cars out here. But yeah, it's cool. I've never been out here before. Let's see. What do you got? A little river, a little creek you can fish in. We might end up coming back out here.
Yeah. I like it here. It's pretty.
I haven't seen any
Is that
fish.
tent like for camping?
I thought it was a Volkswagen only. Why is it a GTO here? Nice GTO though. Oh my god, them seats are probably hot.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at this thing.
We're looking at it.
Volkswagen bus.
Oh, look at this one.
The little tiny one.
Yeah.
Might be a remote control. What you think about this car?
Good.
Good. You like the
It's
green?
cute. Yeah. I like the color. I like the check thing inside too.
On the carpet. Let's walk around anyway. Got a surfboard on top. Look on the inside.
Very summery. Beachy.
They got a TV in there too.
Oh, this car.
866-907.
What do you think about this one? You see how low it's sitting?
Yeah.
It has airbags.
Anybody got it? Anybody got it?
Air ride. Oh, this one's nice. You see what kind of wheels it got on?
Porsche.
Yep.
Porsche.
Porsche wheels.
What the hell? My
Mm.
pants was.
Look at the interior. I think it's all custom. And look at the roof.
All right,
Look
ready?
at the rag top.
If you put your take it in for the macrame curtain. 4, 5, 8.
The engine painted the same color too.
4, 5, 8.
I like this one. This is a nice one.
It looks clean and simple.
7, 2. 4, 5, 8, 2, 7, 2.
That's great. I just realized how cambered the wheels are. Cambered when the wheels. You see how? It's, yeah.
We doing more? We will. Do
This got a custom interior too.
shortly. So, for that, all right?
Small.
In the meantime, don't forget to check
Is
out
it so small?
Yeah. I like it.
See the Volkswagen logo on the seat?
Yeah.
This one got a rag top too. I like the rag top one. What you think about that?
I like it. Why does the logo look different than this one? Why is it circle but this one like a peach?
What you talking about?
The logo. Why is like
No, that's just a different logo that they put on there.
And hello,
I guess you can probably change. You know how I said Honda has a bunch of different logos.
Yeah.
Like on your car, we're gonna put the red one.
Yeah.
No, they got different logos you can put on there. 'Cause it also has this little castle logo. That's a Volkswagen thing too. Let me show you. Castle. There's also Volkswagen.
Hey, Daniel, we got our tax
another one.
winner.
They must know each other. Yeah, I think so, right?
His
Yeah.
what do you call it? His spokesperson. All right.
Another bus.
Cool. All right. Where's the McCreamy winner?
Look at this bus.
You want that one?
It's a truck.
oh
Macrame.
Custom interior. Look at the door panels. See a little stitching?
yeah.
Nice. And look, they got a little tiny surfboard on the roof. Oh my God, there's so many Volkswagens out here. That's a newer one. These look more like Porsche.
Yeah.
3, 2, 2.
Same company.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, see what engine that is? Is that the same one? Yeah. Same engine I'm putting in my car. The 5-cylinder.
9, 0,
What's that big thing right there?
3,
Turbo.
3.
That's a big turbo.
Going at 6, 3, 8.
I wonder what it sounds like.
Now you win.
Look at this thing. This is a Carmageddon. It's Volkswagen too. That is not a Beetle. I love these cars. What do you think about these? Too sporty?
Yeah. But
But they all got the same engine that's in the back.
yeah. I
The
think
air-cooled
it's
engine.
Yeah, I think, but sporty but small, so I think it's cute. Something that I do want to drive.
Like the red wheels, they look pretty good. You having fun so far?
Yeah,
Are you too hot?
yeah.
What? Yeah, it's
not
hot.
It's hurting my shoulder.
VW decor. VW decor. All right. If
all
you
black.
need VW decor,
Scary.
you put your ticket in the VW decor bucket. Here it is. 4, 5,
Who would ever
7.
be scared of a beetle?
Oh, the design is like a.
4, 5, 7. 9, 3,
Okay.
4.
It's cool, but not my type.
Volkswagen Type 3. Never heard of that. So they got 3 different versions. He was saying this is the fastback. If you look at the back, how it goes down. And then that's the Sportback, the wagon. And then the other one.
And the notchback drops down like a sedan car.
Okay.
You get on the other side, but anyway, the notchback would drop down here and actually have a trunk. The trunk would pop up.
And also weird how the engine's actually inside the cabin counter. In this
Yeah,
one,
it just has the cover. But all your Volkswagens of this era are all in the back.
Yeah.
All the
Yeah,
buses
they
and
all.
everything. Yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah, there's like a teal or like a royal blue on that side from Australia. It's
Oh.
a 69 too, but there's a notchback on the other side of it.
Okay. We're gonna walk around and see can we find it. Thank you.
And how they.
The VW cooler bag. 906.
I forgot the window was
427.
open. See? The front window,
I want this
It
part.
is.
Exactly. I don't want to change anything, even the interior and the pillows and everything.
My creamy
yeah. They even
curtain.
got a little toy.
I like it like
curtain.
this.
906. 460.
So cute.
906.
I should take pictures of this.
460.
Sure.
They even got a purse.
We still got more. Stick around. Back in 1976, a group in Michigan lost their guitar player and decided that they needed to find a good guitar player. So they heard about this up-and-coming kid from Prattville,
One
Alabama,
now.
who had just got
This-
and he was
This
just
is your
playing.
favorite.
He'd come back home to Prattville, was playing around Prattville and
What's that?
Montgomery, and so Sticks
a little
asked
flower
Tommy
ball.
Shaw to come join the band, and from that. Owie.
Oh, I think that's what he was talking
Mess
about
it
right
up
here.
for me so that I can give away a drone.
Oh.
All right, if you put
This
your
one
ticket
looks
in the
cool.
drone bucket. Are you ready?
He said it's the notch
A
back.
VW drone. 458.
I think he said they made them in the 60s.
Yeah.
458. I like this part right 115. That'd be a 65 model, wouldn't it? 458-115. You won the drone. All right.
Windows.
Hold that on. All right, this was for the Texaco Cooler 897. Maybe you can cool the whole gas station. 86 is like an air conditioner for Texaco station, right? 86. Why are you looking at me with that face? 866-897.
car you said was your favorite again?
Yellow bus.
With all the flowers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very girly.
I got some shaved ice over here. But I want to straw. Not drink. I can't drink it and drive. But eat it and drive.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see where we go next. Alright everybody, we about to go maybe stop and get something to eat. And then also we're gonna go meet Logan. The guy that I went to go get his diesel Mercedes. He also wanted to go get a parts car so he can fix up their Mercedes. So I'm gonna meet him while he's gonna go pick up a car in Birmingham. And then that should be it for today. So let's go figure out something what we're gonna eat. I can still run. Man, he got hit so hard. You already thought about getting you another one or getting you something else?
Man, I was looking at one of yours, man. They sold it already.
Oh, yeah.
But somebody was actually selling the model just like mine. That
same color and everything? What brand? Are they factory respect or are they
Coilovers?
Yeah. What brand are they?
Factory respect. John Speed.
What the interior look like to you? You like the interior?
Yeah, pretty clean actually. It just needs to be cleaned up a bit. But, hopefully it goes straight in the other one.
Yeah. You that me?
Yeah.
I can see. We're gonna go eat some wasabis in Alabaster. Alright everybody, we just got home. It's been a long day. We're tired. We ate. Probably gonna call it. That's the end of the video. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the OV. I used to move snowflakes by the OZ. I guess even back then you can call me CEO of the